Hi everybody, I got a package in the mail today and I'm going to open it on video so we can see it at the same time. It is Rebekah Smith's new wool, and I won this in an Instagram post contest, I guess you would call it, which that will lead me up to tell you I am on Instagram now. So I had a couple pictures on there for a while, but I wasn't active at all. Now I am, and I've been posting, I think, just about every day. So it is DoreenBrannon.Privies and Prims, and I will put a link down below in the description. So here we have Lanacot, I guess that's how you say Lanacot, Lanacot Wools by Rebekah Smith. Here we go. So this is a whole package, all different colors. And we're going to cut this open and see what's in here. I'm just learning Instagram, so I was pretty excited to win something on there when I really know very little about it. Okay, so these are available in 8-yard bolts, 10 by 10 pre-cuts, or fat quarter pre-cut. 100% wool, 44 to 45 inches wide. And it's by Marcus Fabrics. There's the colors that are available. So if you do wool applique or rug hooking, this would be really great. So this is 20 10-inch squares that I have won. Look at those colors. I'm thankful for that. Thank you, Rebekah. Okay, so this is 10-inch squares. Great. Lots of projects for those. Okay, I wanted to update you. I did finish this. I think I'm going to do a little video on it, but just in case I don't, this is it. This is by Crane Designs, and it is called Sheep in the Night, N-I-T-E. That's what I've been working on and just finished it. And then let me get something else to show you. I finished this, made this actually yesterday. Just a little pin cushion. It is uncounted cross stitch. Go the right way here. So you can see all the little X's are kind of wonky. They're not like perfect. And that's done on purpose. This is how I did the back. Cut a slit to stuff it and then stitch that up and then put this piece of wool on with a blanket stitch. So this is a pair of linen pants. I'm going to do a video on that also. But I wanted to show you that. All right. See you next time. Everybody, happy punching, happy stitching. Stay healthy and safe. Bye.